Hello everyone, I am Pranav and here are my teammates Jazneen and Jeet. We are from class 8 Excel Public School, Mysore.
We worked in the problem statement designing toys and games that will help children learn better in an interactive and fun way under the theme of education and skill development.
We surveyed about grade 5 and found that kids prefer to learn things in an interactive manner and they love to have a smart toy that will help them retain and learn concepts better.
Smart toys are recently discovered strategies for the betterment of learning. In the modern gadget required lifestyle, smart toys will be an alternative for children who use gadgets in their everyday lives.
We have used a program called RFID, which refers to a wireless system comprising two components, tags and readers. The reader is a device that has one or more antennas that emit radio waves and receive signals back from the RFID tag.
As we know, RFID is used in several commercial and industrial applications, from tracking items along a supply chain to keeping track of items checked out of a library. We have created a fun and interesting way to use this for our educational purpose.
Our model is a smart toy that requires the ability to analyze and match the given information. This model contains 2 levels with 8 questions each.
We will have 2 different levels in this toy, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 consists of 8 questions, each involving matching 2 different cards. For this level, we have selected questions related to identifying important millets and matching them with the corresponding pictures provided on RFID tags.
The player scans the name of the millet mentioned on the card, inserts it into the slot on the toy, and then scans the correct matching card, placing it next to the first one to create a perfect match. When the player scans the first card, the LED will glow in blue, and after scanning the matching card, the LED will turn green if the match is correct. The LCD display will provide feedback indicating the answer is correct. The player repeats this process for all 8 questions to move on to level 2.
In level 2, there are also 8 questions, and for each question, there are 3 cards with related information. Like level 1, the player scans the cards using RFID reader and inserts them into the respective slots to match the information. The content for level 2 focuses on different agricultural revolutions, the relation to specific sectors of agriculture, and the father of the respective revolution. The player must successfully match the information for all 8 questions to complete this level.
I did logo, secondary research and documentation part for the project.
I did the coding part and designed the model on Tinkercad.
I helped in documentation and we all did the model together.